Create this before and after transition using Capcut, and it's free. So this is a sample clip. First, let's position our playhead where we want the transition to take place. Then select the video track and tap split. The clip on the left will be our before, and the clip on the right will be our after. Now let's start doing some changes to our after clip. In this example, I'll just apply a color grade filter. You should have something like this. Now tap on the transition button, search for wipe, then select wipe right. Adjust the transition duration to your liking. Export, and here's your final output.
Country roads, take me home.
Follow for more.